Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. Today I'm very excited because I have something very fun I'd like to share with you. I was able to get a good deal at Boxlunch, and I've been seeing this item for a while, and it really was like, uh, do I get it? Do I really need it? Obviously, I don't need it, but um, there's a feature on this item that really just took me over the next level. Um, or really just convinced me, put me over the edge. Like I need this. I need this item. Excuse me. So let me show you what that is. All right. So yes, it is another mini backpack, but it is not a Loungefly item, nor is it a Daniel Nicole item. It is actually Boxlunch's very own brand. I guess they do their own backpacks now because they want that money. And it is of course a Sailor Moon mini backpack. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous this is. I love this. This is featuring all the Sailor Senshi. And take this off here. As you can see on the side, it does say Sailor Moon Boxlunch. So yeah, it's its own thing. Love this blue and this cream background, and of course this handle. Not a big fan of the handle, but what are you gonna do? And it's one of those bags that are like you can wear it either side. So I'm gonna show you the other side in a second, but here's the tag here. Beautiful. So this, of course, alone, I was like, okay, this sells me. Because there's my girl Ray. I love Sailor Mars. She's so badass. But there is a certain group that when I was growing up, like I was just obsessed, obsessed with these people. And it is the Black Moon family. This is amazing. Look at them. Yeah, Prince Diamond, Rubius, or Rubio. What was it? Something like that. Then you have Esme, or Emerald, Sapphire. Then you have these sisters here. Oh, and it's just from the anime. And you have Wise Man here. And it is so cool. This is one of my favorite storylines ever. And when I wear this bag, I actually want to wear what these people featured because they're so fearsome creatures with awesome power. That's how King and Damien described them. But yeah, obviously we know Neo Queen Serenity came into power, right? There were dissenters, people that weren't about it, who weren't accepting of the Millennium Crystal's purity. And so they were banished. And they were banished to a planet. And then that planet was further deceived by this dark specter there, and were poisoned and believed that, you know, they needed to wage war against Crystal Tokyo. So, what a wonderful lore. It's like, what a great story. And, you know, what a great bag. I'm so happy to have this. This is so great. So, I'll stop saying great, but this has the option to be worn like a crossbody as well. Look in here, it's just plain blue, but it does have a zipper here, which is great. And then this has another zipper compartment. So when you wear it like a crossbody, you can utilize this one. And it has yet another zipper compartment. It's like, how many more compartments do you need? It's so gross. But you can, you know, utilize it multiple ways, and it's reversible, so you can change the straps to the other side. Let me see if I. Voila! Now you have the straps on this end, so now this end is open to be used. So yeah, so this is how I'm going to be wearing it, with this being featured on the back, this on the inside. But yeah, these, you know, straps are adjustable. So excited to have this. I love this. I love this. It's pretty straightforward. Beautiful, beautiful. The Black Moon family. And of course, the Sailor sent you again one last time. All right. Do you own this bag? Do you like when Boxlunch releases their own bag? If you're a Loungefly collector or a Daniel Nicole collector, have you dipped into the foray now of anime bags or other things? Because they have some really great new bags out there. So it's just all about expanding your taste. I don't think I'll do too much. There is another bag out there that I really, really want, but we'll see when I can get my hands on it. But again, this is one I had to have. I saw it at a great deal. Who's your favorite Sailor Scout? Who's your favorite Sailor Moon villain? Please comment down below. Remember to like and subscribe, ring that notification bell, and please follow me on Instagram. I'm doing some exclusive content over there, and I'm, you know, quasi-sharing here with my shorts. So I really do appreciate everyone who has subscribed so far. We are in November now. We are getting closer and closer to my favorite holiday. So anyway, it's a great time. So I really appreciate you guys for everything. So again, share this video with someone if you think they're interested. Keep subscribing. I'm so close to 100. I really would love to hit 100 pretty soon. All right, thank you again. And remember to be safe. Tell someone that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.